Your channel was growing over the last days, weeks, months, and now you are at the point that you want to have some moderators supporting you, helping you, answering to comments, helping in live streams, and with all the other stuff. You can easily add them, no problem. I'm in the YouTube studio, and the first way is you go to Settings, Community, and here you can add people by their channel URL. For example, if I would add now Home Alex, one guy I knew from the past, we already had some videos together. He's awesome. So I just could add him here, and then he would get a notification, hey, you were nominated as a moderator. And then he can switch to my channel to answer comments, to do this. But he has not the rights to delete something or make bigger changes. And with the X, you can also remove him. Another way is, if someone is very active in the comments, you can go there and say, here next to the 3 dots, add this user as a comment moderator. And don't be confused, comment moderator and moderator are the same. I have no clue why YouTube named it differently. If you add someone as a comment moderator, it takes 1 or 2 minutes, and then she is also shown as a moderator in the overview we had before. And the third way is going again over Settings, Permission, Manage Permission, and then you have here the brand account details, where I can click on it, and here I can add also new people by their name or email address, and can then say Communication Manager, which is, how I understood it, how I found out, the same as a moderator. Just a third name now. And that are all 3 ways how you can add people to help you support you. But also be careful. If you add someone, they can act in your name. So you need to be really sure that they have the same mindset, that you understand them. So not blindly add someone, think about it. Do I trust the person? Yes or no? And if this video helped you, please give it a thumb up. And if you don't want to miss any new video from me, subscribe to my channel.